In a bustling city, where the streets hummed with the constant rhythm of life, there lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden was ambitious, driven, and determined to make his mark on the world. He had a clear vision for his future, and he was willing to do whatever it took to achieve his goals. One day, as Aiden was rushing through the crowded streets, he found himself in a heated argument with a stranger. The stranger had bumped into him, and Aiden, in his haste, had reacted with a sharp tongue and a dismissive attitude. The stranger, taken aback by Aiden's rudeness, responded in kind, and the two men found themselves embroiled in a bitter exchange. As Aiden stormed off, fuming with anger, he couldn't help but feel a sense of unease. Something about the encounter had unsettled him, and he couldn't shake the feeling that he had missed an opportunity to handle the situation with more grace and understanding. Over the next few days, Aiden found himself replaying the incident in his mind, and he began to question his own behavior. He realized that his relentless pursuit of success had caused him to lose sight of the importance of treating others with respect and kindness. One day, as Aiden was walking through a park, he stumbled upon an elderly man sitting on a bench, his eyes closed in deep contemplation. Drawn to the man's serene presence, Aiden approached him and almost instinctively asked for his advice. The old man opened his eyes and looked at Aiden with a warm, knowing gaze. "My young friend," he said, "I sense that you are troubled. Tell me, what is it that weighs so heavily on your mind?" Aiden, surprised by the man's perceptiveness, found himself pouring out the story of the encounter on the street. As he spoke, the old man listened intently, nodding occasionally and offering a gentle smile. When Aiden had finished, the old man spoke, his voice calm and measured. "You know, my friend, the true measure of a person is not found in their outward success or achievements, but in the way they treat others. Respect is not something that can be demanded or taken, it must be earned through our actions and the way we carry ourselves in the world." Aiden listened, his eyes widening as the old man's words sank in. "But how do I earn respect?" he asked, his voice tinged with a hint of desperation. The old man smiled and said, "The answer is simple, yet profound. You must first learn to respect yourself, and then you will be able to extend that respect to others. When you approach the world with a genuine sense of compassion and understanding, you will find that the world responds in kind." Aiden left the park that day with a newfound sense of purpose. He realized that his relentless pursuit of success had come at the cost of his own humanity, and he was determined to change. Over the following weeks and months, Aiden began to make a conscious effort to slow down, to listen more, and to treat everyone he encountered with the same level of respect and kindness. He found that this simple shift in mindset had a profound impact on his life. As Aiden's relationships with colleagues, friends, and even strangers began to improve, he noticed a corresponding change in his own sense of well-being. He felt more grounded, more centered, and more fulfilled than he had in years. One day, as Aiden was walking through the park, he encountered the old man once again. This time, the man greeted him with a warm smile and a knowing nod. "I see you have been putting my lessons into practice," the old man said. "Tell me, how has it been for you?" Aiden smiled and shared his story of transformation, how he had learned to slow down, to listen, and to treat others with the respect they deserved. The old man listened intently, his eyes sparkling with a deep sense of understanding. "Ah, my young friend," the old man said, "you have discovered the true essence of the Zen of respect. When we approach the world with an open heart and a genuine desire to understand and connect with others, we unlock a profound sense of inner peace and fulfillment. As Aiden continued on his journey, he found that the lessons he had learned from the wise old man had a lasting impact on his life. He became more mindful in his interactions, more patient, and more willing to see the world from the perspective of others. In his work, Aiden found that his newfound respect for his colleagues and clients led to stronger, more productive relationships. He was able to navigate difficult situations with grace and empathy, and he found that his colleagues began to seek out his advice and guidance. Outside of work, Aiden's relationships with friends and family deepened as well. He became a better listener, a more compassionate partner, and a more engaged member of his community. He found that by extending respect to others, he was able to receive it in return, creating a cycle of positivity and growth. As Aiden looked back on his journey, he realized that the lesson of respect he had learned from the wise old man was not just a personal transformation, but a universal truth that could benefit everyone. Respect is not just a courtesy, Aiden would often say. It is a fundamental human need. When we treat others with respect, we unlock a world of possibilities, a world of deeper connections, greater understanding, and a more harmonious society. Aiden's story has become a testament to the power of respect, inspiring others to slow down, to listen, and to approach the world with a renewed sense of compassion and understanding. And as he continues to share his journey, he knows that the Zen of respect will continue to transform lives, one person at a time.